Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a foreclosure with auction.com step by step clearly. Visit auction.com to begin the process of securing a foreclosure property. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar to explore available properties. Filter the search results by selecting foreclosure from the options. Review the listings to find properties that meet your criteria. Click on a listing to view detailed information about the property. Take note of the auction date, starting bid amount, and any property disclosures. Research the neighborhood and comparable properties to assess the market value. If interested, register for the auction by following the on-screen instructions. Read all auction terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Prepare your financing in advance, as many auctions require proof of funds. Make a note of any required registration fees, and submit payment if necessary. Attend the auction on the scheduled date, either online or in person. Monitor the bidding process and stay within your budget. If you win the auction, complete the payment process as outlined by auction.com. Follow any additional steps provided for the transfer of ownership. Keep in close communication with auction.com for any post-auction requirements. Once the process is complete, you can begin preparations for your new property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.